Hi, my name is Amanda, and I just got my first adjustment at Lakewoods Chiropractic, and today I'm feeling so much better than I was yesterday. My head was hurting, I had a headache, and today I feel great.
So Amanda, if someone's sitting out there right now and they're skeptical, they've never tried chiropractic before, they've heard things about chiropractic, like what would you say to someone who's maybe skeptical or more cautious?
I would say give it a chance and stick with it for a little bit. Don't just go once and be done. I think just like exercise, you kind of got to work at it a little bit. And I think chiropractic care is essential for everyone's health.